The criminal justice system is just that. It's a system, and it's complex, and it's bigger than just the line officers in uniform. I don't think people realize that when we make certain arrests, because of policy coming down from King County, for example, we have a very difficult time booking people into jail. First, Seattle doesn't have a municipal jail. We do not have our own jail, right? So we rely on King County Jail. These policies, procedures, standing operating procedures coming from King County are disastrous for our ability to clean these streets up. So you look at the drug epidemic, these open air drug markets. I probably can't book over 90% of those people into jail without first going to a hospital and sitting on them for hours. And I mean minimum of, say, 6 hours for an observation period. Because what they're probably going to say is I swallowed dope. Or they're going to say I was raped. Or they're going to say, or they're going to refuse to answer medical questions and they're going to be denied. So a lot of this comes from the King County Health Services. And this was all kind of implemented and done, I think, one, to reduce liability for King County. Some of this is left over from Dow Constantine in his never-ending quest to revamp the inquest proceeding in this county, which is unlike anything else in the entire country. No one does it like King County. So what that means for the public is every in-custody death receives an inquest. That is very unusual. I don't think it happens anywhere else in the entire country. That's costing the taxpayers millions of dollars. I have inquest proceedings going on with officers right now from incidents that happened in 2019. So many years ago, the prosecutors have looked at these cases and already determined there's nothing here. There's nothing criminal here. This is closed. So what I tell people is, I said, you have courts. You have civil court, you have criminal court, and you have kangaroo court. This is kangaroo court. There is nothing that's coming from this. This is only costing the taxpayers millions of dollars. It's an absolute and utter waste.